Hello everybody. We have an early start this morning. We're on the road on Interstate 80 just east of Winnemucca, Nevada. We just stopped in, stayed the night, some retailer parking lot. Well, a non-Walmart lot. Having a little bit of luck, some good luck this morning. Stopped and took care of the waste tanks at Flying J, and but their water outlets were not working, so I needed to get fresh water tank too, or fresh water in my water tank too. And I found this. Here were the rest area. Okay, I don't know why my I think the fitting is messed up here, because it's a good hose with a good washer. It normally seals perfectly, but it's spraying pretty bad. Anyway, we got it hooked up, and we're filling the fresh water tank up. We're gonna be in the desert for a while. We're gonna fill that thing up, 100 gallons of water. I rinsed some of the dust off of the motorcycle, and we're gonna get back on the road on down Interstate 80. We're almost full now. I've made a fresh coffee, and we're gonna be back on the road for a while. Interstate 80 east, quite a ways, just to get on this road, Highway Nevada 278 south. And I think we're headed to the town, I think it's called Eureka. So we're traveling 100 miles on this road to go to Eureka and go to a grocery store. And then after that, I think I know there's a nice place to go. I wanted to go in here and grab a couple of things before it got too hot today. Bella will be in the RV, so it hasn't warmed up too much yet, but it's going to. Now these stores are nice. I've seen, it's the second one of these I've seen that has, it's both a Ace Hardware store and a grocery store. One-stop shopping. See, we have cordless drills and ladders in one aisle, okay, and pizza in the next. I picked up some essentials because when we get down to where we're going, which is another 44 miles, I'm hoping to stay put for a little while and do some exploring in the area. So we just turned south on Highway 50. And I believe this is, I seen a sign, I wasn't aware of it, is the Pony Express Trail. So I'll have to look into that a little more too, and there's got to be some cool historic things about related to that. So we'll see what happens. made it to the top of Pinto Summit, which I think was 7,300 feet. So we're even further up in elevation. By the way, that the lady at the grocery store was from Michigan. What you doing out in Nevada? I asked her, what brought you the whole way out here? I guess her husband came to work in the gold mines, and you know, he's retired. But anyway, they're out here. So gold mines, what Nevada's known as the silver state. Gold, silver. Okay, I think we've about reached our destination. I think we're about 40 miles east of, or west of Ely, Nevada. And there's some BLM campgrounds up here. I think it's called Illapah Campgrounds. Oh, gotta love these cattle guards. Open range grazing. This is one of those places where cows might wander into your campground. I read the reviews on Illapah Campground, and it's supposed to be nice. There's supposed to be some cell service out here. See what we end up with. There are restrooms here, and oh, there's a reservoir here, and it looks nice big wide open spaces here. Let's see if we can't find a spot with a nice view. I think there's a nice spot up here at the end. Let me see. This one doesn't have one of those shelter things over the picnic table for shade. Sure is nice out there though. I like it. I like it. I think there's a spot. I think there's another spot down here. Looks like it has one of those roof overs for shade. Oh, this might be a better spot yet. Yep, I think this right here is gonna work. Nice. Alright, we're here. It's a good thing I have a backup plan. This is a dang shame. I read in the reviews that there was some Verizon signal here, and I have to have signal. I have responsibilities. You know, I do have a regular job that gives me a little bit of work, but I need to be available. So what do you think? What the heck with that work stuff? This is nice out here. You don't need to work. But I do. You're gonna want more biscuits pretty soon, aren't you? Yeah, maybe. He says, yeah, there's that, I guess. A nice view. Wildlife. Supposed to be a lot of deer in the area. They have these nice little campsites that are, well, they're nice. How's that? They even provide you a little bit of shade. They do have some fence work, I guess, to help protect you from some windy area, you know, some high winds. Nice breeze up here. Might get hot this time of year, but there's a nice breeze going. Yeah, so we're gonna get on to our backup plan because I want to get situated, get the awnings out, get all the windows open so air can move through the RV. I had to check one more time. No Verizon. No AT&T. We're gonna go. Yeah, I don't get a whole lot of work these days, but if I stay at a place like this, I won't get any. So I need to be available. So down through another canyon, across another prairie, up another mountain. Robinson Pass, elevation 7607. Come on, Betty. It's getting pretty warm out at this point. And the temperature gauge, not even halfway. So, on Betty. Betty's running nice. Okay, here we are at Plan B, some 30 miles later, closer to Ely, Nevada. It's supposed to be a campground up here on the left. It's called Gap Mountain Campground. Something's not right here. Something doesn't seem right. It looks like a giant mining operation up here on the left. Well, the campground's supposed to be up here on the left. I see some remnants of some railroad stuff. Well, according to my GPS, it should be just ahead, and this just doesn't look promising, does it? They're supposed to be camping up there. It's on recreation.gov. But guess what? Plan B has been ruined by this huge mining operation. Gated off, says no trespassing. Right down there. Plan B's a no-go. Now to come up with a plan C. Okay, we turned around, came back up the road a little bit. I seen this on the way, and I'm hoping we get a little bit of luck this time. This is called Garnet Hill. Let's see what happens. All's well that ends well, right? What a day. But we got lucky. We got lucky in the end. We came up this crazy road. This is probably the second craziest thing I've done in the RV. Coming way up on top of this hill like this. It was a nice road, but a couple parts got steep at the very end, but it was okay. So we got lucky. There's no signs that say anything about no overnight parking or no camping or anything like that. there was a guy here that left. He had a tent set up down below here. So camping must be okay. The road was a little treacherous, but there were no signs saying RVs not recommended. I've run into those before. But what really nice little campsites are here, or picnic areas anyway. Come on, Bella, let's go down and have a look. And what a view out here. Yeah, nice flat area. Nice campfire spot or fire ring. Big heavy duty picnic table. Charcoal grill. And a view like that. Wow. That's what I'm thinking as well. There's some view there. Bella, you smell something under that picnic table? Did somebody drop a sandwich? Huh? Come on. So this other picnic area is shaded really nice. And actually, it's kind of handicap accessible. Park here. And it's a little rough going. A bit of a ramp. A little rocky. But look how nice and shaded. Yeah, and concrete pad. Picnic table, grill, fire ring. I mean, it's a really, really nice spot. What is it here? About 70 degrees in the shade. Anything good in there? Come on, come on, come on. So we'll go over to the other end, this road we came up. Yeah, see, got a little steep at the end. The last couple of curves, and it was steep. But we're up here now. And I think it's a copper mine over across the way. That's where that campground was supposed to be. Our Plan B campground. Quite a view up here. So in the end, we did find a place. I think it's going to be okay for tonight. And I think, yeah, I think I'm ready to go and get some dinner going. And maybe I'll do. Oh, Bella! Oh, Bella's on the sniff. Oh, spinning me around. So I think I'll do something I haven't done in a while, and maybe set up a time lapse of tonight's sunset, and end this video here, I guess. Thanks for coming along today. Got a little crazy there for a minute. I think getting a little frustrated, but thanks for coming along anyway. As always, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until next time, take care.